What's up, y'all? I had to just hop right into this video because I am so anxious to start filming. So let's talk about YouTube being like the biggest blessing in my life. YouTube has been the biggest blessing to date, and I'm not talking about the YouTube paychecks, okay? Even though these are nice and this is a definite bonus. But what I mean by that is the community that I've created with you guys just by starting this channel. You know, I kind of like put all my fear to the side. I stepped out on a leap of faith and just really went after something that I wanted, and it has changed my life completely. I have a sense of purpose and I have a sense of belonging that, you know, I was so hesitant to even go after, because when you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel and you're looking at all these other people, you know, you're thinking, what can you bring to the table, right? And you start going in your head. And if you really truly don't know what you want to bring, then hold off, take your time. Once I decided to work through that fear, I've been blessed with thousands of subscribers, brand deals, collaborations, just things that I couldn't even dream of, right? So this video is for you if you're interested in starting your YouTube channel. Let's get into it. First, YouTube allows me to share my interests and creativity with my audience. No matter what video you want to bring to the YouTube platform, there's a really high chance that somebody's gonna look for it, right? YouTube is a search engine, so there's a really good chance that someone in the world of the millions of users on this platform is looking for the video that you want to post. So I really emphasize like utilizing your creativity and just going after it, right? There's so many videos online on how to edit, and there's so many videos with like background music, so many things that'll help you elevate your experience on YouTube so you don't feel like you're just throwing yourself in the game, right? You can learn so much, and that's also a plus too, is learning so many new skills just on how to edit videos and how to become a better person on camera, right? Like all of these things are super beneficial, and not only that, but it's fun. Like I really enjoy being on camera and talking to you guys commenting like first comment, things like that I really enjoy. So that's the number one reason why I love YouTube, is because of the creativity that you're allowed to bring for the platform. Number two, and this is the one that I talk about all the time, you guys, is it creates a community. When I tell you guys, I just feel like my heart is always so overwhelmed with love. I have you guys talking abundance, speaking blessings onto my life, all of these things. All I can do is give back all the love that I'm receiving. So whether I'm doing giveaways or like buying some coffee for people for a day, that is me giving my love back to you guys, because this community makes my day all the time. You guys, I have not only connected with you guys in the comments, but hundreds of you in my email and my Instagram DMs. Like that is absolutely incredible, and this community is so positive and it's so reflective of who I am and who I want to show up as, because you guys know I love to live a God's dream, and a God's dream would not be possible without you guys, without the collective just going after positivity and trying to show up as our better selves. So that is my second tip. It creates a community, and that's why, I mean, who doesn't like to have a community, right? Number three, YouTube is very transparent on how to be successful. For example, Instagram analytics don't really provide me with the information I need if I wanted to blow up, right? YouTube, they go into depth with their data and analytics so that you can really know how to improve. So for example, say that I post a video and I notice that the duration or watch time isn't hitting where I would like it to hit. I can go into YouTube and they will show me down to the second where people are falling off from the videos. So this is important. Now you know, okay, this is where I can edit a transition, or this is where I can just switch, right, and go on to the next topic. So this is very valuable, because when they provide you this data and analytics, it'll help for you to show up better in your next video. The analytics are everything, you guys, and it shows you like where the range of people are watching your videos, like your demographics and things like that. And that's a lot of fun too, because you know how to talk to people, you know who it is that you're talking to at this point. So their data and analytics are probably better than any platform that I've used so far in terms of like growth. But also they want you to grow too. I know that Instagram is now a video platform, but they just don't give me what I need in terms of like the analytics, if you guys know what I mean. If you guys have ever made your Instagram a business profile, sometimes like it's not even on the right day, and it doesn't give you the right, like the times to post or whatever the case is. They're never right, and it's just like, okay.
We beef Instagram, we beef it.
So all that to say, YouTube is a search engine, so just create content that works for you and that is searchable, because as long as you take the analytics that they provide for you, you'll keep that retention. So it's really up to you at this point. Number 4, YouTube helps new and aspiring creators. YouTube wants you to create a channel and they want you to bring in money, because when you start to monetize and you're bringing in that ad revenue, they're making money from that as well. So they want you to win. So they're constantly providing you with new ways to improve your channel, whether it's, hey, I think you should start YouTube Shorts, which I have not started because I didn't even do Reels or TikTok, but that's something that I do want to get into because YouTube's a platform that I want to put most of my energy into. Secondly, reassurance is truly there with YouTube. When I tell you guys, like, I posted a video that got a lot of views within the first few minutes that I posted it. It had confetti all over the page, and I was like, oh my gosh, thank you, YouTube. Y'all are cute for that, because literally, like, it reminds you, okay, keep going, because wherever you're headed, you're on the right path of growth and just like achieving your dreams, really, truly.
Matcha break, matcha break. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Lastly, my favorite thing about YouTube is you don't need to be anyone but yourself. That's it. Being yourself is your superpower. This is probably my favorite part, right? Because with Instagram, you have to kind of look a certain way or like post certain things just to get likes and engagement. And that's so fun because we're all different and we want to show up as our own selves, right? And so with YouTube, there's thousands and millions of people looking for something that you can bring to the platform. So why not do that? For me, when people ask me like, oh, what is your channel about? Honestly, I just talk about God and blessings and how God has blessed my life. Like, as simple as that, you know, and I have attracted thousands of subscribers, you know, created this amazing community. So show up as yourself. We don't all need to be makeup artists. We do not all need to be a YouTube couple doing pranks on each other all the time. Yeah, I mean, just show up as yourself. Enjoy it, right? Like, go through all the motions. You're not gonna post the best video at first. You know, my audio was trash in my first video, like for the first few videos. My editing was horrible. There's a lot of things that I've learned and developed just from creating. So start now, start today, press record, and I promise you guys, you will not regret it. So, y'all, I hope you liked this video. Also, this is my office, so I hope the lighting is okay. I had to press record because I was just so excited to film this for you guys. If you have any questions on starting your YouTube channel, this series will go into my growth series of a growing YouTuber. So feel free to either comment down below if you want it a little bit more personal. Just shoot me an email. That will be in my description box because I'm growing with you guys. So literally any question that you have might also help me as well. So go ahead, ask all the things, y'all. Ask all the things. I hope that this video helps you. And as always, we're just getting started, so I hope you are too. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.